Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you on how to sign up for US Bank Online. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. Now search for usbank.com, and once you search for it, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now there you will be able to see this pop-up box at the right hand side of your screen. Now in there, choose your account type by tapping on this down facing arrow, and there choose online banking, and there type in your username and password if you already have your online banking account. Now if you're a new user and want to create a new account, then you have to tap on create a username and password link. And now you have to fill in some details like your card number or your account number, and then last four digit of SSN, which is social security number. Now if you don't have social security number, then you have to tap on I don't have a social security number link. And once you tap on it, it will take you to the next page where you have to type in your card number or account number, and there tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, it will ask you to create a username and a password for your account. And then you will successfully sign up for your US Bank Online. Now that was the step-by-step process on how to sign up for US Bank Online. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.